Hey guys, Tawana here, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about what is CPA marketing. CPA marketing stands for cost per acquisition marketing or cost per action marketing. And basically, what that means is you get paid once someone clicks on your affiliate link and takes an action. Cost per action. And that action can be anything from them entering their name, entering their email address, maybe their zip code, or something like that. There's no purchase required in CPA marketing, and that's why, like, I personally prefer CPA marketing as a way to make money off your blog, especially if you're just beginning and you may not have any traffic going to your blog. CPA marketing is a great way to get eyes, bring eyes to your blog. And also, the fact that there's no credit, no purchase required with CPA marketing. Um, you don't have to deal with, like, a lot of the headaches that come with traditional affiliate marketing, meaning like if a customer want a refund or, anything like that, or unsatisfied customer, you don't have to deal with any of that, because with CPA marketing, you're just getting paid to basically refer someone to a particular website. You're just getting paid to send traffic to a particular site. Now, in order for you to get paid doing CPA marketing, it's really simple, and all you need is like a few things, and it's very inexpensive for you to make money doing CPA marketing. Now, the first thing you're gonna need to do in order for you to make money in CPA marketing is you have to join a CPA network. Now, what a CPA network is basically it's like the middleman between you as an affiliate and the website, the vendor, the person that owns, or the company that owns the website. So the CPA network works as a middle person, whereas they'll provide the affiliate with the link for you to promote, to send traffic to, and then they make sure that the company that's providing the link pays you as affiliate for the work that you do, sending traffic to the offer. So that to me is like, it may sound complicated, but it's really not, and it's such an easy way for you to make money. Like I said, especially if you're new to internet marketing. Maybe you just started your blog or your website. Maybe you don't even have a blog or website and you want to make money online. CPA marketing is definitely a great way to make money. You also have like a lot of CPA networks out there that you could apply for, even as a newbie, as they say. And they'll accept you, and they'll provide you with hundreds and hundreds of links, affiliate links, for you to promote on your website or your blog, or even on your social media channels. Um, and the only thing that you need, well, not the only thing, but one of the most important things that you need, it's like three things that you need in order to do either CPA marketing or affiliate marketing. And the first thing that you need to do, like I said, is you have to join a CPA network or a affiliate marketing, affiliate network. Now they have plenty of CPA networks out there that you can join. If you don't know, just Google it. Go Google CPA network. But off the top of my head, I could think of three. You have Max Bounty, you have Peerfly, you have Offer Volt. So those three, if you knew, just Google those: Max Bounty, Offer Volt, or Peerfly. And if you want, I can leave a link below to two, if not three of those. The second thing you're gonna need to make money doing CPA marketing is you're gonna need either a website, or you're gonna need like a web page or a landing page where you could promote your affiliate link. And and if you need a way to, if you don't have a way to build a website, or if you need a landing page, or you need a way to promote your CPA or affiliate link, I could also leave a link down below in the description area for you to join myself and my teammates that you hear. If you can hear all my notifications going off and my group chat, I'm a part of a team that we are a team of internet marketers that we make money online doing a whole bunch of things that I'm not going to get into right at this moment. But if you need a way to build a website or a web page or a landing page for your CPA marketing, I'll leave a link below for a digital marketing platform that I'm using that is super easy to use. Even like I said, if you're brand new to internet marketing, you never build a landing page in your life, and you heard about CPA marketing and it's something you want to get started with, I'm going to leave a link below for you to join me and my team. And we using the BUILDERALL platform. I'm not going to get into BUILDERALL now. I'll leave a link below if you want to learn more about BUILDERALL. And getting back to the CPA marketing and the 3 things that you need to make money. The 3rd thing that you're going to need after that is traffic. Once you're accepted and joined up CPA network, then you have a way to promote your link. You have a website, web page, landing page to promote your CPA offer link. And the last thing you need is just traffic. Now, you can get free traffic. You can use your social media channels, like I said, to promote your affiliate links, or you can get what's called paid traffic. You could create Facebook ads. You can do create videos on YouTube. You could do Instagram ads, and also you could do PPC. You could do pay per click traffic. You can do solo ads. So the 3 ways for you to make money doing CPA marketing. The 3 steps, the 3 steps you need to take is 1, you want to join a CPA network. 2, you want to make sure you have a way to build up a website, either a way to promote your offer, either a website, a web page / landing page. And 3, you want traffic to send to that particular link. Hopefully this video helped. What is CPA marketing? CPA marketing, once again, stands for cost per acquisition marketing, cost per action marketing. You do not need no purchase required in order for you as an affiliate to get paid from CPA marketing. My name is Tawana at Marketing More, and I hope this video helped. And if so, please be sure to give me a thumbs up or a like and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in learning anything about making money online, internet marketing. Maybe you're interested in building your own brand and you're looking for some ideas or some tips to help you along the way. And I'm here to help. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.